Okay, so this is how we use the 4-hour chart on Weeble. The spot setups early. So here, our cat had a good daily setup. It's getting bought up off the daily 8 EMA, one of the strongest sectors at the moment as well. So if you look at the 1-hour chart, back here, it's gapping down, makes this trend line here, and then reclaims, breaks out of this spot. So that would be your entry. And then take it from 15 all the way up to 16. Pretty good trade. And then if you look at the 4-hour chart, you also have an entry here from 1590 up to 1690. And then if we go over AXTI, this one had a reclaimed the EMAs, had this big push up. And if you look at the 1-hour chart on that same day, it's flagging out, bouncing up off the 8 EMA, and that's your entry right there. Your stop is at the bottom of that candle. So we took it up from 40 all the way up to 46. Nice 13% move on that. And then if you look at the 4-hour chart, there is a re-entry on this flag. Comes down, gaps up, or comes down, gets spot up, and take it from 42 all the way up to 47. Nice little 10% move. And then there's another entry here if you want to. 46 up to 50. I didn't get that one though. Alright, and then AMPX, we got 27% on shares on this. So here's one entry. I missed this one. If you look at the daily chart, you get this little breakout candle here. Increase in volume as well. Then you get that 4-hour retest on the 8 EMA. Take it from 14 all the way up to 17. And then you get another 4-hour flag. Take it off the 8 EMA from 1560 up to 1780. Then you get another 4-hour flag. Take it to the highs. Another 4-hour flag. Take it to the highs. And if you notice with the 4-hour charts on these kind of setups, the big breakout candles usually close at the highs or very, very close to the highs. Then you look at AAOI. Coming off this big breakout here, flags out, get in at 95. Sorry, wrong one. You could get in at this spot too, coming off the 20, but the other entry is from 111 up to 127. And if you look at the 1-hour chart, you get that as well. Get this entry. But yeah, with the 4-hour chart, get that little consolidation here, get that breakout. Alright, and then BATL, we took this for 13% today. Reclaimed the EMAs on the 4-hour, came down a little bit, moved off the 8 EMA, so that's your entry. Take it up to 24. And then stop the break even on the rest on this big drop down here. And it also has this trend line on the 4-hour as well. Was looking for a break in continuation for that, but it just didn't work or have continuation. Alright, SNDK. This one was really nice. So it was gapping up above this trend line, above the daily 8 EMA. So we were looking for that trend line break. I got an early entry in the pre-market at like 4 a.m. because it reclaimed the EMAs, came down, retested, and then got that big candle. So, and then this one was traded with leverage shares too. So it went from 600 up to 630. So it was about 10% on the leverage. Alright, and then Alto. This one was really nice. There's an entry here. I didn't get this one from 320 on this 80 MA retest up to 450. The one that I got in was off the 80 MA on the 4 hour here from 430 up to about 480. This one was, we held it for a couple days, trimming up along the way. Then FSLY reclaims the EMAs, retests the 8 EMA, gets a push from 22 all the way up to 25. Also a nice daily chart. Then if you look at LXU, I didn't take this one personally. I missed it, but reclaims the EMAs on the 4 hour. Makes that nice move off open. Or actually that wasn't off open, that was later in the day. Yeah, reclaimed the EMAs, made a big push. Maybe the 1 hour had an entry. Yeah, reclaim the EMAs on the 1 hour, gets that little retest, pushes. Yeah, that's how I've been playing the 4 hour chart to get to pre-fire really good setups.